Hi, Gareth here from Port Monkeys. Just wanted to drop you a little video to tell you that we're going to be in Alaska for a week on Holland America's Eurodam. We plan on going live from the ship, just like in Iceland and Greenland, and that didn't work out so well, right? No internet. Hopefully, since we're near the USA and Canada, North America, whatever, we'll have better internet. Maybe even the phone line, ATT. We plan on trying to go live from in the ports, like live from walking around in Ketchikan or Sitka or Juneau. We'll see how that goes. I'm not going to make any promises. In a few weeks, we sail down to Australia, and we also plan on going live there, but I don't know how the internet is crossing the Pacific Ocean, right? You might notice something behind me is different than usual. It could be my computers. Let's see. Well, it's only one computer and a second monitor. Or it could be anything, right? Daniel and Hasty and Liam got me a green screen, a chroma key. So we're going to try it out. I'm trying it out right now. Anyway, that's about all I wanted to say. Watch for our live broadcasts from the Eurodam in Alaska. This is Gareth from Port Monkeys saying, we'll see you in the next port.